Alright, sunny people. We are on the east side. And it's cold as ice water. Almost literally. When I left the Jeep, when I left Rosie, it was about, I think it was 44 degrees. Wow. It was a false spring. It was about 44 degrees. Oh, it was 44 degrees. That's what the Jeep was reading. And it feels pretty cold. But gotta go fishing when we can. And we got a window, so we gotta do it. Me and Miss D tried our luck yesterday at Live Oak, and I think we got 2 bites between us with no hookups. So I'm gonna try a spot where I know I can catch fish. I know that there's fish here. We're gonna give it a try, even though it's cold and our hands are freezing. I've got on, well, if you don't include the vest, I've got on 3 layers up top and 2 on the bottom. The trusty hunting boots are still holding, still waterproof, still waterproof. Feet are dry, feet are warm. Let's give it a try, sunny people. Let's get it. Okay, let's get it. Man, little bassy wise. The fish don't care that it's cold, sunny people. That was the first cast. That was my first cast, little bassy wise. Thank y'all. Jeez, got something, sunny people. I think it's a big sunfish. It is. It's a nice size red breast. He ate it. Jeez, he's thick. She's thick. Look at that puppy, sunny people. Something got a hold of it right there, but that's okay. Woo, thank you, beauty. On the spinnerbait. On the trusty Neps spinnerbait. My gracious. Get this thing. Here we are. Let me get a little piggy pig. I think that was a third cast. Sunny people. We're not doing too bad. Oh, hello. Wow. Oh, he got loose. That was a nice one. Got him. Still got him. Little red breast. Not a bad one. That's a big red breast. Excuse me for calling you small. Good night. Look at the size of that male. That's a big male. Pretty good size male, sunny people. nice. Huh. Little bass. There we are, little baby. Got him. I saw that joker going crazy over there. I was trying to get close enough to him. Oh, he swung me in the stuff. But I got him. Had to have it, didn't you, buddy? Got it. Thank you. Got him. Goodness. Yep, that's the sunfish. God. Oh my. Sunny people. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna put you in the net. Cause I have to get back on my perch. You know what? I gotta get back in the hole. It's harder to do this in a kayak than in a canoe. I can normally do it in a canoe pretty good. That little side hustle paddle. Wow, he ate it. Jeez. Come on, let go. Come on, baby. Wow. He's covered with parasites, but just kind of is what it is. All right. Got him. That fish is 9 inches. Oh, 8 3/4 inches. That fish is 8 3/4. He got a lot of parasites on him, but he's gonna be all right. There's one way over here. Got him. That was behind me. Look at that little bass. Oh, jeez. Did y'all see that? That just splashed me. Oh, wow. You're not missing any meals, bucko. All right. Yeah. Mr. Big Stuff. There he is. Little guy. Little Sonny. While I'm getting blowed away. Come here. Come here. Little female. If I can. It's not even hooked. Oh, yeah. It's a really small piece of lip that it was hooked on. Little baby.